Niacinamide is the friendly neighbor of skincare, but even the best ingredients can cause trouble if mixed incorrectly. If you're seeing flushing, orange patches, or lackluster skin, you might be making a major mixing mistake. Top of the no-go list. High-dose vitamin C, especially pure L-ascorbic acid above 15%. Mixing these can turn your skin temporarily yellow-orange and trigger redness. The fix is simple. Use vitamin C in your morning routine and reserve niacinamide for the evening. Next, watch out for strong acids like glycolic or salicylic. These low pH exfoliants make niacinamide ineffective, wasting your products. And for copper peptide fans, niacinamide combined with these actives, cancelling out their anti-aging benefits. Keep them in separate routines. Here's the good news. Niacinamide pairs perfectly with hyaluronic acid for deep hydration, SPF for barrier support, zinc for acne, and even low-dose retinol to buffer irritation. Remember the golden rule. When in doubt, separate by time of day. Vitamin C in the morning, niacinamide at night, and your skin will thank you. Stick to these proven pairings, and watch dark spots and redness fade in 6 to 8 weeks. Like and subscribe to protect your glow for good.